Identify the following as either kinetic or potential. Well, kinetic is the energy of motion, and potential is the energy of position, meaning like gravitational potential is how high it is above the ground. The higher it is, the more potential it has. When it falls, it'll turn that potential into kinetic energy, and the higher it is, the more kinetic energy you can get. So it's called potential energy. There's elastic potential energy, like springs or rubber bands or bows and arrows. And then you have chemical potential energy as well, and that is energy that's stored in the bonds of atoms. When you burn wood, you're releasing that chemical potential. Batteries have chemical potential to turn into electrical energy. Food, when you digest it, you break the bonds and release the energy out of that food, so it's all potential. So up here we have some people riding a bike. They're moving along, and so we're going to label this as kinetic energy. Yes, they are not on the ground, so technically there is a little bit of gravitational potential there, but go with the most obvious answer on this one, where they're moving, so we'll go with kinetic. We've got rocks stacked up with each other. They're not moving at all, and the higher they're stacked up, the more gravitational potential they have. They can fall off and turn into kinetic energy. The apples up in the trees have gravitational potential as well. The trees themselves have chemical potential. You can burn them, but don't go with that. Go with the apples in the trees. They're above the ground, and if they fall, they're going to, they have gravitational potential energy there. Dustin Pedroia, stealing home. He's running, so he has kinetic energy. We have a person standing on a diving board. It's 5 meters above the ground, and so he has gravitational potential energy as well. You can jump off there. And then this one right here, this could be kinetic because they are falling, or it could be gravitational potential. Either one of those answers is correct in this one. In fact, this is a bad example if you're making them choose between kinetic or potential, because they're both about equally. They're falling really fast and they're still really high off the ground. So that could be either a K or a P in this example here.